wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best VR glasses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. As long as you only plan on using them a few times, the Merge goggles may be all you need for brief, educational and entertainment purposes. They're lightweight, comfortable and inexpensive, though they do require a decent smartphone to function well. They're suitable for augmented or virtual reality and are adjustable for nearly any head size. However, their overall performance is subpar. At number 9, the Oculus Rift S is one of the most comfortable and doesn't need any external sensors. It's easy to set up, making it more convenient for average consumers. It offers highly accurate motion tracking and a diverse software selection, but be aware that it requires a Facebook account. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you're not yet sure that virtual reality is something you'll be interested in long term, the Oculus Go can help you make up your mind. It's far less expensive than most and provides a good entry-level experience. Though if you do find yourself enjoying it a lot, you'll probably want to upgrade soon. It requires no phone or computer, however it doesn't track your position, and the software library is small. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for VR glasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, due to its remarkably low price, the Nintendo Labo Kit is one of the most accessible for owners of the popular Switch console. Its wide range of useful and fun tools makes it perfect for a first foray into the world of VR. It stimulates creativity and is a good choice for kids, but it doesn't have a very high resolution. Moving up our list to number 6. A standalone model that doesn't require a PC, the Oculus Quest 2 is both advanced and highly convenient. Unfortunately, it has to be linked to a Facebook account, and if your page gets banned for any reason, you may lose access to your headset and library. There's a good variety of games available, and it comes in 64 and 256GB versions at a moderate price. Halfway up our list at number 5. Even though it's been dethroned in performance terms by a few other models, the HTC Vive Original still provides an experience free from stuttering and jagged edges. It has access to one of the largest software libraries of any headset. It provides deep blacks and bold colors along with good controllers, and it's less expensive than newer options too. At number 4, the HTC Vive Pro Eye system combines the most advanced display technology with high-accuracy external sensors and a refined halo system, providing probably the most immersive experience possible. It features integrated eye tracking and is designed for commercial use, which is probably why it costs a great deal. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Technically, the Windows mixed reality platform supporting the Samsung Odyssey Plus isn't like traditional VR, but it does many of the same things, and a lot of people find it easier to set up. This updated model is considered one of the best in the field. It provides a 110-degree field of view on its AMOLED display and is relatively affordable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for VR glasses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you own the company's console of the same name, you'll probably want to try the Sony PlayStation VR. It is of course designed specifically for gamers, and with hundreds of titles available, you're not likely to run out of options anytime soon. It features a 1080p OLED screen, 3-dimensional audio, and a maximum refresh rate of 120Hz. And coming in at number 1 on our list, one of the most recent to hit the market, the HTC Vive Cosmos is an advanced piece of equipment. Its 6 built-in tracking cameras eliminate the need to place costly sensors around the room, and it's the ideal choice for those with high-powered gaming PCs. It boasts a combined resolution of 2880 by 1700, a 90Hz refresh rate, and convenient flip-up screens. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for VR glasses, or simply click beneath this video.